Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Python 101 Mastering the Python course. In the previous video, we write our first program and basic syntax of Python. As you all know now that Python is like having magic wand that you can use to create anything you can imagine. So let's get started. Now grab your favorite seat, take your computer, and let's dive into the exciting world of programming. First things first, let's talk about what is input function in Python. Sometimes you need your program to get information from the user, like their name, age, etc. At that time, we use input function. The syntax of input function is similar to that of print function. Let's see in detail. As you can see in the following picture, the input is the function, and as you know now that every function has brackets. Now inside the bracket we write text, that is what is your age, so that the user can give us the input. Let's see it in code. So let's start coding. We will first create a new file. I will name it as main.py. You can name it as your choice. Now then, let's take the input. Let's write first comment that this is the input function. And let's write input and bracket in double quotation, or you can also write in single quotation that what is your age. And if we run this code, as you can see in the terminal, the what is your age has been printed, and we can type 13. So how fascinating is Python?
So now the question arises that where should we store the input given by the user? We can use variable for this. What is a variable? Python variable is like a container which stores values in it. A Python variable is a name which has been given to a memory location. It is the basic unit of storage in a program. Now let's talk about some different types of variables in Python. First up, strings. A string is a sequence of characters, like a sentence or a word. You can create a string by enclosing sequence of characters in quotes. Let's create a string variable called greeting with the value hello. Now here is an interesting fact that we can use either a single or double quote for it. Let's write some code on it.
So, to create a variable, it is a simple way. Let's create a variable name as greeting. So, to create this, we will first write the variable name and add equals to sign and assign the variable to a name such as hello. Now, let's print the greeting. To print a variable, we can write in print function and simply by writing greeting. Now I want you to guess that what will be the output of this print function. Will it be greeting or the word hello? Let's check it out. First I will comment this line of code. Let's write. And the output we got is hello. So when we write greeting, the variable in the print function, then it will give us output the assigned value to it, not the variable name. Let's check out more different types of variables in Python. Now let's talk about numbers. There are two types of numbers in Python: integers and floats. Integers are whole numbers like 42, 33, 11, etc. And floats are decimal numbers like 3.14, 6.18, 9.19, etc. Let's see in code the different types of numbers. To create a integer variable, it is very simple. Let's comment integer variable. Let's give the variable name anything you can want. I am giving it as num1 and equals to 100. Let's print this num1, and if we print, the output will be given as 100. Now let's create an float variable. Float variables. I will give it name as num2 equals to 3.14. Now then let's print this num2. If we check this, and the output we get is 3.14. Now let's talk about the next type of variable. It is a boolean variable. So let's say we want to check if a variable is equal to a certain value or not. We can use double equal to sign to check if that variable value is equal to the another variable value or not. And we can also check that variable is not equal to another certain value. We can use exclamation point and equal sign for it. Let's write some code on it. The boolean variable has only two outputs, true or false. Let's write boolean variables. Now let's compare num1 and num2. If I print, and if we want to check that is num1 equal to num2, let's check. Let's write num1 equals to num2. The value of the num1 is 100 and num2 is 3.14. So the output of this program will be false because 100 is not equal to 3.14. But if we write exclamation mark here and let's rewrite this program, then it will give us true. Now exclamation and equals to sign means that it is not equal to, means 100 is not equal to 3.14, therefore we are given true. Now that's enough for today's video. With that, we have completed this video and there is gonna be a mini project for you all, so stay tuned for next video. But wait, the video is not over yet. As you remember, this course is full of quizzes, puzzles and questions. Read the following question and comment down below in the comment section and I will give a like if your answer is correct. The question is, create a program to take input their name and age and give them output as following. And that's it for this video. In the next one we will write more code and things will get even more exciting. Don't forget to comment below with your answer to this question. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video of Python 101 Mastering the Python course.